In this video I'm going to share another feature that the Keynote software has to offer. Animation brings any presentation or teaching slides to life. Keynote offers a huge range of animation options, and in this video I'm going to show you the built-in animation. Keep watching to see more. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this and pop over to our Instagram page for more inspiration. Open Keynote and select the white presentation. Click on the Shape tab and insert a shape onto the slide. Then go over to the Style tab and add in a border and change the color. For this animation, select the No Fill option. Now we are going to add in some animation. You will find the Animation tab on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on it and it will give you options for lots of different animation functions. For this video we are going to focus on animation build-in. Select the line draw animation and you can change the duration and the direction of the animation. Copy and paste this shape to create a pattern. Then go over to Build Order and highlight all the animation. The animation function can work wonders on your teaching slides too. Add in your shake image and go over to Animation and select the one of your choice. Another useful animation is the typewriter effect. All you need to do is add in your text and go over to the animation function and select the typewriter option. The animation function really works well in presentations too. So create your slides. Then add in your animation. There is so much to choose from, so go through them all and select the one that will be the best fit for your presentation. If you need to add in a delay, go to the Build option, and then select the Delay tab, and insert the length of time for the delay. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and pop over to our Pinterest page for more ideas and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.